morning, guys. Today is Thursday. Thursday. I want to go right down hunting because Christmas stuff is out. My friend found Naughty and Nice, and she said she would give me one, but I want to find my own because it's so much. She said she would give a set to me because she found 2 sets, but I want to find my own. I want to go out there, hunt for it, find it. It's such a rewarding feeling when what? Who's talking about feeling, Janice? It's such a rewarding feeling when you find it for yourself. So I'm going hunting today. My weight loss journey can wait 2 hours. It's going to take me 2 hours, but I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I'm in the car. Anxiety is kicking up like a mother. I don't know what. My anxiety seems to always act up when I'm looking for something, or my husband was in my car. That's right, he drove it this week. My anxiety seems to act up when, I don't know, I get anxious or something. It's the reason why it's anxiety. But it's acting really weird. Yeah. Please don't tell me I came to the car with no keys. Tell me why I put the keys in the door. Like, seriously. Yeah, Janice, we're gonna go with the key in the door. Alright, so I'm gonna go right down hunting, and I'll take you guys with me. Just got back home. I'm so tired. I went to Marshall's, Home Goods, TJ Maxx, and look what I found. I went into Marshall's, yeah, Marshall's, and this little bad boy was just sitting on the shelf, and I was like so excited because I was like, oh my gosh, I actually finding Christmas pieces all by myself. So I found the Mary canister. It was just this guy. I know there's a joy and a chair, I think. So I have that, and sorry, memory was filled up. Then I found Merry Christmas. I actually have Merry Christmas in my possession, in my hand. I've seen this and I've always been like, oh my word, to own a piece of Christmas in Dunn would be like heaven. And then not a fan of Naughty and Nice, but hey, I got it just in case I grow to love it, but it's there. Yeah, so yes, this girl is happy. My husband is supposed to be home. He's not home, so I'll see you guys in a little bit.
Now. Gotta put your American Girl doll on your thing, Maddie. Maddie, time. Maddie, come. No, this is my dog. This is my dog. These are your dogs. What are you doing to your drive dog? I mean drive. Drive through. Okay, push your thing. Push it. And I couldn't carry mine. I can mine. George. I'm not carrying your baby for you. She's more interesting to the box than the baby. Come here. Here, take the baby. Take the baby. Now hold on to the baby. Come on. Woo! Make sure you don't make the baby fall. Baby. Hold on to your baby. Good. Good. Now put your baby in the car. Baby in the car. You don't just dump your baby. You put your baby in the car. There's a baby. Have a baby. Here. This is how you hold a baby. This is how you hold a baby in your life. Put it on your side and you carry it, okay? Carry it. That's how you carry a baby. And how I carry a little guy. And how this is how you carry a little dog. You actually stand up actually, but I'm come in. Come in. Grab your baby. No. Grab your baby.
Why'd you throw that baby like that, Maddie?
That's not how you throw. We don't throw you like that. You throw the baby. You want the baby. Hey! Get in the car, baby. Get in the car. Wait. Take the baby. With the baby doors.
She legit don't want anything to do with that baby. I'm sitting here and I have a headache, like, oh, I'm catching whatever my husband has. He doesn't have anything, he just wants to lick. It's kind of cold in this house. I turned up the AC because I went outside and it was cold. And then I got hot because I was cleaning out my buffet over there to store my holiday Ray-Dun, because I realized it was piling up on my table. And I'm like, wait a minute, I gotta put this stuff away. So I had to make space in the buffet for it. And then I'm gonna sell a few pieces over here to some local Ray-Dun Dunn sisters and get rid of these stuff out of my house. But my husband came home. He said he didn't feel good. He said his mental state is not right, something. So I don't know. Like at this point, should I be worried that my husband's mental state is not right? Like whenever time he tells me stuff like that, I always worry because, you know, men tend to snap and you never know what can cause a person to, you know, snap. So I'm always the paranoid person. Be like, oh my gosh, this man is gonna snap and he's gonna murder us. But I'm joking. I'm legit joking. That's the thing about me. I have a very weird, funny sense of humor. It's not really a sense of humor. It's just weird. Just sitting here watching my two girls play with dolls, and it's like I just realized Maddie's completely grown. Like, hi. Is that the baby? You have the girl baby now?
Yeah.
Is that the girl baby, Maddie? Can you, okay, take your baby out of here. Go take care of your own baby. I took care of my own. You go take care of your baby.
Come on. Take the baby.
So, I got a headache and my husband is taking a nap. He's sleeping right now. Hopefully when he wakes up he feels better and can hang out with us. I gotta go cook dinner. I don't want to cook dinner, but I have to go cook dinner. You ever feel like that? Like you have to do something but you don't want to do it? That's how I feel.
Yeah,
like,
that's how I feel too.
Get that dolly out of here. But
flip on your baby. Flip.
What's up, Joy? What are you pointing at? His teacher emailed me and I need to email back the teacher. He's saying that, you know, he's not doing well with turning in his math homework and we need to stay on top of that. And I'm just annoyed when it comes to Jordan and his homework. Like, we can have a good week at home with his homework where he does his homework and everything I signed and he doesn't turn it in. Like, I don't get the disconnect. Like, he'll do good at home and then go to school and slack off, and I don't get it. And that's the thing when you have a child with, you know, disability, and Jordan suffers from ADHD and he suffers from specific learning disability, and for a long time they had a really broad term with his disability, so we had to kind of like narrow it down, and we did a couple testings and stuff. Why are you always eating?
No, it's just 1 graham cracker.
It's 1 graham cracker too much. Go ahead. And, hi, Manny. We had to get a lot of testing done and narrow it down and stuff, but it's still a struggle. Some days I feel like he's not getting the help he needs, and some days I feel like, I don't know, I just feel like giving up some days. It's just hard. But as long as there's breath and life in this body, I'm never going to give up on my children. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna go. I don't want this video to be too long. I will talk to you guys tomorrow. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and become a sunshine. And I will talk to you guys. I already said that. Wait a minute. I did say that tomorrow.